And
Okay.
share your screen. Share your screen. Awesome. Yeah, let's do it.
So now it's recording, right?
No, you haven't pressed that button.
No, it's recording.
It is recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start. So hi everyone, we are team 3, and now today we want to talk about our first assignment, team assignment, the risk of the two investment. And I'm Wesley Chen, and I want to talk about the question 1 first. So first of all, what about in our question 1? How do we decide about which kind of model we want to use? In here, we use the AR2 Gauge 1 and the student T model. The reason is because we can see about the model table now. This model have the lowest AIC for the -10411. So the lowest AIC means the better model. So that is the reason why we choose about this model for in this question. And later on, we use this model to predict the 5 days latest VAR and expect shortfall. And we can see the VAR equals to 0.029307. And also the expect shortfall is -0.003321. And this is the answer about the question 1. And later on, Param is going to talk about the question 2.
So for question 2, for calculating the volatility, we calculate the implied volatility for each option using the IVP and IVC. And from the data, we can see that we got the implied volatility ranges from 0.0078 to 0.0997. And so that we can, from this, we can observe that the lower strike prices does not mean that they have higher implied volatilities than option at higher strike prices. And next, Gita will be talking about question 4.
Yeah, so for the second part, we just use the, simulate the price to get the margin requirement for a trader, and the margin requirement equals to the e to the power of the VAR -1 multiplied by the value. So first we fed the two parameters using the distribution of normality by making the rolling fit of each day. And secondly, we simulated the 1-day log return by drawing 100,000 outcomes of the normal distribution. And for the second part, we use the numbers to shape the distribution of T assumptions. And we simulate the 1-day log return using the same Gauge-Boot method. So for the last part, we use different models based on the 4A and 4B, and use these to calculate the VAR and get to test whether the 10 days margin requirement will be double the one with this first day data. So for model 1 is the ratio is 1.25, and for model 2 is 2.27. So based on the T distribution, the margin requirement is doubling after 10 days period. Thank you.